So this is the new Note 10. This is not the Plus, this is the regular size. As you can see, the camera has moved. I'll show you against the S10 right here. So you see it's moved to the center. And there is no headphone jack on the bottom anymore. This is the 3-camera array. As you can see, you got 3 cameras here, and then on the Plus, you'll get that 4th camera over there, which is the depth sensing camera. And then you have
I'm just taking pictures.
Hello, how are you?
your stylus.
So on this table, you'll
Just
find
right
we have,
here.
these are all the Note 10 that we have on display in the various colors.
Yeah,
we
that's
also
kind
have
of
the
just
Galaxy Watch 2
power button,
and both sides,
volume
including the
rocker.
Under Armour edition.
There's no buttons on the right
and
side.
also our Galaxy Buds.
Completely button free. And as you look, you can see it's a decent sized phone. What I'll do is I'll actually set it next to the S10 Plus. And if you look, it's actually pretty similar in size. It might even actually be smaller.
This is the regular.
Yeah, it looks like it
regular
actually might get a smaller phone if you got a Note as opposed to an S10 Plus. And then I've also got some other goodies in hand. I brought with me the old Note, which I currently have in a bag. But as you can see, this is a pretty thin phone.
So, this is your phone.
And yeah, just kind of rifling through the bag, trying to get the 9 out. So this is the Note 9, which is last year's model, side by side. So it's the new Note 10 is smaller than the Note 9. However, if you get the Plus, obviously it'll be bigger than the old Note 9. And if you look, it's kind of... It's hard to tell, but it looks a little thinner. So yeah, that's kind of a quick look at the Note 10 from Samsung.
Galaxy